Check out this pearler, HJ47, 1983, and she's just had some love, and geez, he's done a good job too. It's had a little bit of rust, done all the paint himself. It's the Toyota 033, the Toyota white. We first met when he was after some weather strips. Now he's back in, so it's got the turbo, it's got the aircon, so now we're looking at the Whistle Soot airbox to fit that in there. That's something we work closely with Whistle Soot. So it might be a few more mods to come on this one. Right up the front, it's got, I asked him about the bar work, it's been on there since day dot. Day dot, him and his dad, it's been passed down. I've had this for near 30 years. It's got the big 1,200 pound winch on the front. Interior, we've got the 60 series seats, very popular. They bolt straight in. If you get your certain ones, there's no mods, they just actually fit straight in. And it's got the custom console. It's a 47, so it's got the tacho, the centre dash. He's also he's grabbed some dog boxes off another ute, another work ute, and thrown them on this one. Now she's ready for action. Speaks for itself.